Hi guys, Willy here. Today I'm going to open the first box in my brand new Yarn Club subscription. Yarn Club are an Australian subscription. They have both a knitting box and a crochet box. And obviously I've bought the crochet box, but I think it's rather nice that they've got the two options. And you also have a choice when you subscribe between what they call a full subscription, which comes with yarn, pattern, and some extras. And you pay $39.95 plus postage for that. Or if you prefer, you can have what they call a yarn and pattern only subscription, and you just get the yarn and the pattern, no bonuses. And that one is $29.95. So I went for the full subscription because I like all the little extras. Enough of me talking. Let's see what's in the box. There is a lot of tape on this box. Okay, we're getting somewhere. I think I've got it. Before I mangle it any further, it's got a stamp on the bottom. They advertise themselves as being eco-friendly and having eco-friendly packaging, so brown box with a stamp rather than a fancy printed box. Oh my goodness, I can't open the box. Got it. I missed a bit. Ha! Take that box. There's lots in here. Oh wow, there's lots in here. Ooh, funny yarn. Oh, I should look at the pattern first. Sorry, diving straight into the yarn. Let's see what the pattern says. Comes in a plastic bag. I don't know that that's eco-friendly, but kept it a little bit organized, which I appreciated. It is a kitchen gift set. A round scrubby, a hand palm scrubby, a double-sided scrubby, and a bobble dishcloth. So quite a lot of patterns. If you've watched my channel for a while, you might remember that I had a pattern that I called the cursed pattern. It was my attempt to design a little jumper, like an ugly Christmas jumper, for a detergent bottle to wear, because a subscriber asked if I had a pattern for a detergent bottle dress, and I didn't have one, so I thought, why not make something a little bit different and make a jumper pattern? So the box hasn't come with a jumper pattern, but it has come with the most hideous little dress for a detergent bottle to wear. I realize I shouldn't say hideous. I know some people really like this sort of cute crocheted accessory, but I have never been one to put dresses on my toilet rolls or my detergent. I hope I don't sound too mean and judgy, but that's hilarious. It's really hilarious. But the other patterns are super practical. I quite like the idea of making some scrubbies and like actual useful items for washing dishes with. It's not glamorous, but it's actually useful. And you also get with your subscription a free copy of the Creative Knitting magazine and also the Crochet Now magazine. And there's still more in the box. Okay, won't get distracted. Look at the yarn. All right, so this yarn is obviously the yarn for making the scrubbies with. It's called Yarn Club Scrubber Twist, 100% polyester. I've got 100 grams of it. It's a limey kind of green, and it's really crunchy and exactly what you'd want for making scrubbies. There's also two 50-gram balls, 10 ply, 100% cotton, which is also labeled Yarn Club. The color is called light green. I really like it. It's sort of an olive green. If it didn't say 100% cotton, I would have guessed that it had a bit of acrylic in it because it's quite soft. I wonder if all of their yarn is branded Yarn Club or if they use brand name yarns as well. Keep going. Another Yarn Club yarn. This one is also 100% cotton. It's the same as the green ones. It's Yarn Club Pure Cotton 10 ply. I've got 50 grams of it. It's a really pretty soft pink color. I like that. Let's have a look. A little cute blue bag, a nice selection of stitch markers, and they're the useful kind, the plastic kind. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 stitch markers. All of them have a really cute little heart-shaped clasp on them. And as well as that, I've got a big-eyed needle. Big-eyed needles never go astray. This isn't plastic, it's metal. I much, much prefer a metal needles. And last of all, there's a hook in the bag. It's a really cute hook. It is the correct size to make the project with. So I always think that's great to have a hook that matches the project. And it's red. Can't go wrong with red. Very sweet. Nice little hook. Let's see what else is in the box. There's some Earl Grey tea. There is some Earth Blends granulated instant coffee. I'll keep that one. And there are 2 biscuits, little single serve biscuits. Biscuits. Oh wait, one last thing. This is the cutest little bag. It's a little soap, what do you call these? Little soap rack, drainer, little thing that you put your soap on, and a little soap to put on your soap thing. It's Outback Essence Queensland Lemonwood Extracts. It smells quite strongly even through the paper, but it just smells like soap. So that's everything that's in the box. And I gotta say, that's a lot for $39.95. I've got so much stuff and it's really well curated. I love that there's a whole range of little projects to pick from in there. I know that I laughed a little bit at the dress, but that's going to appeal to some people. But for those of us it doesn't appeal to, there's a whole range of really practical little projects to make. And even then to tie those projects, which are all to do with washing up, in with a little soap rack and a little soap. Well, that's such a nice touch. I really like it. The yarn quality, I think, is good. I'll have to actually work with it, I guess, to know how good the quality is. But in terms of texture, all of those cotton yarns have a really exceptionally soft texture to them. And I mean, I can't judge the texture of this for not being soft because it's not intended to be soft. It's meant to be a scrubby yarn. Scrubby yarns are really interesting to work with. They're just very different texturally. I think including one in a box like this is a nice touch because it will encourage new crocheters to try a different kind of yarn. The whole box, I'm loving it. I'm glad I kept my subscription going for another month because that is the thing with subscription boxes. You often pay for your second box before your first box arrives. And this was October. And I love it. Thanks so much for watching. If you've enjoyed the video, please remember to hit the like button for me. Thank you for that. And I'll see you again very soon because I have yet another different subscription arriving in the mail very, very soon. And I'll be opening that one with you too. Do you think I might be hitting maximum density for yarn in my house? Nah, no such thing. More yarn. I'll see you again soon. Bye.